Hello, my people. Oh, y'all Edochie. Hey, the fear of Christ, Ezenwa, is the beginning of wisdom. Y'all Edochie, don't run kitty kitty, don't run kata kata. Go call family meeting, oh, urgent family meeting, oh, for their family WhatsApp group. When they say, when y'all Edochie say, na very very urgent meeting, say in get wetin want to tell all the family, oh, say make all of them meet for WhatsApp. So when you call, you begin to add everybody. Leo Edochie dey there. Links Edochie dey there. The mama and the papa dey. Then Uche equally dey because now WhatsApp, so it was easy for them to. They even Eva, all of them, they were on the WhatsApp because everybody dey different part of the country. So there's no way we say they go fit meet physically. So that was how run away Yul wey be say they run away from the family, come call for urgent meeting. When they call for the meeting, now in come talk say he call this meeting in respect of all the waiting in the pass through for some time now. Say na concerning in marriage to Queen May. Say he know say he don't make mistake, but the only thing when be say he want to beg him mama and him papa and him brothers, say I beg, if make them do everything possible to make sure say Queen May no leave the family. Make them do everything possible say Queen May no divorce her. Say because if Queen May divorce her, say na the Edochie family, na them go lose. So after all, when Queen May dey inside this marriage, say they were benefiting a lot from her. Apart from that one, he still love him wife, no matter the matter, no matter say him make mistake, but Queen May na still him wife. So he no want to lose Queen May. And Links, when he be say they here, now be the chief supporter of Queen May. Though Leo no dey too support him, and Leo is very very diplomatic and the rest. But say the way be say Links carry this whole thing for head, say him come dey ask say whether he get another thing wey be say he do Links, why Links go dey chook mouth for in marriage. Say I think I decide to do the polygamy. So he come tell him papa say he na beg him dey say because court case go see start, and Queen May now from wetin they see, Queen May he never set his eyes on Queen May apart from social media when they see Queen May. And from the way they see, he know say if the family then decide to call meeting, then decide to hold serious meeting and call Queen May, and he believe say Queen May go come because Queen May they respect their papa well. Say so Queen May must honor the invitation, Queen May must come. Say so make them beg. Now as he talk finish, now he come say na the reason why they say he come meet me. That him papa come say whether he don't talk finish. He say yes, he don't talk finish. Now him papa come ask and say so Nana they break. Say since when he be say then they tell him this whole thing, you know they hear. When they go even home meeting, when they go do say do like this, you not go hear. Say no be now they break. And beside him wey be say him be the father, he don't say I said that like the thing don't late, because when this whole thing started, they were telling you, you know they hear. Say it don't clear for your eye now. It don't clear for your eye now. Say he no get anything when he go talk. Say because this whole thing is very difficult. Court don't go far. Queen May has spent a lot of money from court case because of she wants divorce. And there's no way anybody go force a grown-up woman say make it go into polygamy. You wey be say you be you know what to do, but you refuse to do it, and you think you can cajole Queen May to be part of this polygamy thing. It's like you are not a very serious human being. If you dey serious, if to say you come now, come tell us say you don't divorce Judy, or you don't want Judy again, you won't go collect your pikin, make Judy go. Judy know say you marry. After all, she knows very well that you were married before she decided to open leg for you. and before 12 una open una two koro I decide to born. So why will you be involving us for all this kind of thing? So when he talk finish now, you papa can ask, they say whether anybody gets anything when they go talk. Now wetin they call am, Link say Edochie come stand up say why im wan even chook mouth for this matter now, because Yul Edochie specifically mention his name as per say in dey support me. Say as in dey when be say be Link at his age, if he no fit talk truth at this age, which kind life when he dey live? If him at this his age, when he see white, he no go fit call am black. Say if he call white black at this his age, now be say he no know himself. Say yes, he supported Queen May because Queen May one at the see so. She no bargain for this whole draggy here and there. She told you specifically that she will not be numbered. She will not be numbered because I know me where beside the Links, I'm your brother. I know how this lady have suffered for you. She is a workaholic. She does not rest to make sure the home is in order. So how do you think that me, with my reasonable sense, I will come begin to support you for all this thing when be say you they do? I am not supporting you. I will never support you for betraying Queen May, the love and the trust, the faith that she has in you. You summer everything for poto. Now you dey come call meeting. Now which kind of year meeting be all this one? Say you get what you want using time do. Not be say you even call meeting say you don't do away with Judy Austin. Maybe you will say okay, make I collect this pikin then. This one you are still with another woman. You are telling Queen May not to move forward or not to move on. She has moved on. She has moved on. Just get it into your thinking, into your mandola and blacata. Don't think that Queen May will come back to you. If she will come back to you, it was during that initial stage when you lost your son, when they were out, when you went to dance on social media. That was the day Queen May decided that she will no longer continue with you. So I don't know all this meeting you are calling here and there. Is it because the court case is around the corner? Is it because of the court case is around the corner? Whatever the outcome of the case, the court, you will bear the consequence. Nobody is going to bear the consequence with you. Because after all, you are an adult. You are responsible for every action you take. So it can't be like say quarrel don't they do. Now so everybody can't they exit the group. They exit the group, they exit the group. Now so all of them they exit the group. Judy Austin there for one corner, they listen to waiting that they talk. Now Judy Austin come they say, in tell you all Edochie say, make you no wasting time again. After all, Queen May is no longer coming. But you no go here. You no know wetin be your problem. You no know wetin be problem. So my people, now the matter when be say they ground with this so. Yul Edochie want to eat his cake and have it, which is not possible. My people, is it possible? You don't really decide to say in a polygamy you want, and Queen May say he no go be part of it. The good thing you do, sign the divorce, let Queen May move on. If you be say Judy Austin, when you be say agree say he go be polygamy, you can marry wife and join Judy Austin. All of them go they go do the thing together. So because Queen May na very articulate human being, a very meticulous person, she's very calculative in her doings. She wants a good life for herself. She work hard to achieve it. So you cannot come and use your own to spoil her own. It's not possible. My people, this whole thing when we say Yul Edochie they do so. In Papa just they look at like say na mumu. In Papa say, hey God. In Papa say, in fact, this whole thing is paining him more than even any other person. Because in they think how Queen May go to leave this family, Edochie's family. Another man will now marry Queen May because she's enterprising, she's industrious. My people, I no come understand wetin be the color of this Yul Edochie, even im papa sef. Whether na the things when e be say Yul Edochie go gain from Queen May, that is Queen May money, na im dey after, because I no just understand, because the thing just dey surprise me. Why e be say dem no call Yul Edochie to order, although according to some report, dem say im papa talk o, dem call Yul Edochie to order. Dem tell am say, Yul Edochie, stop this thing wey you dey do. People, I go dey bring una update as things unfold.